Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you've been here before, thank you girl for clicking on this video. Over here on my channel, you're gonna get lifestyle, beauty, a little bit of motherhood and fashion, and all the girly things in between. So if that's something that you like, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps your girl out. I am super excited about today's video because we're gonna be talking about skincare. The foundation is skincare. So if you wanna see the 5 skincare products that you need to start out with, then keep on watching. This is a part of my series where we're doing back to the basics, like basic makeup, basic products that you just can use to 1, on the go, 2, quick and easy, 3, if you are a beginner, this is for you. First and foremost, you want to evaluate your skin. Do you have oily skin? Do you have dry skin? Do you have combination oily skin, or do you have combination dry skin? So for me, if you're new here, my skin is normal to dry. And so I like to use a lot of hydrating products, a lot of products that's gonna give me luminosity, but also hydrate my skin. You know what I'm saying? First and foremost, I'm gonna go ahead and clean my skin. You want to use a cleanser. So this is the Bioma Milky Moisture Cleanser. It has oat extract and panthenol, and this is a really good hydrating, moisturizing cleanser, especially if you have sensitive skin like myself. I have sensitive, normal to dry skin. This line is a hydrating line, the Milky line, and the packaging is so cute. I've talked about this. I recently purchased at an Ulta haul. If you haven't seen that Ulta haul, go ahead and check that video out. It'll be up here. But this product is so cute. First of all, look at the packaging. But aside from the cuteness, it is a boosting barrier type of cleanser. It's very mild on the skin. It does not have a scent. So this is for any skin type that is looking for a cleanser that's going to give you hydration, 1, and 2, that's going to clean the skin without stripping your natural oils. And what I like about the Bioma products, it actually has the steps on the side of the product. First, clean your skin. You can use any cleanser that you want, but this is something that I've been using, and it just really pumps out really nicely. So it's like a creamy consistency, not too thin, not too thick, but I really like this product. Moving on to the next step, this is the toner. So the toner comes in this orange or peachy packaging, and it's the Hydrating Milky Toner. So this is going to hydrate and repair. It's an ultra soothing face toner with barrier lipids. Definitely moisturizing as well. The 2 of these have been working really well for my skin, and this does not have a pump. This actually is one of those products that you will pour out, but it is like a milky consistency. It does not have a smell either. I would say if you're starting out with skincare, try to find products that are not fragrance, that does not have a fragrance, that doesn't have any extraness to it. Try to find the most clean, scent-free products, especially if you're starting out, because you're not sure how your skin is going to react. If you are just trying to do like high-end products or any type of product that you just feel like, oh, so-and-so may have told me about this, then you definitely want to just try it on the lower part of your face. Don't just lather your face up, because you don't want to break out and then now you got another problem. And these work really well together by the brand Bioma. The next step after a toner is going to be either a toning mist or a facial spray. For me, I have been back using this Mario Badescu. This is the facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. This is just one of those extra steps in here if you just want to spray your face to just feel really supple and just lock in all of that cleanser that you did and that toner that you did. This can just add another layer of freshness, another layer of hydration, another layer of feeling refreshed. So you will, especially the Mario Badescu sprays. So that's like my 3rd step that I do. You can take this step out and be totally fine with just the cleanser and the toner and move on to your moisturizer, which is the next step. So the next step is going to be a moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer that you want. If you're in the day, use your daytime moisturizer. At night, I have been loving and have been using this for years. I'm almost done with this bottle, so I can't wait to go into my next bottle. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Dream Face Cream. It's a night recovery face cream. This smells so good. And when I tell you, I'm not even making this up. When I tell you, when I put this on my skin at night, if I use it consistently, I'll say like 2 to 3 days, I definitely see a difference in my skin, because this is truly recovering my skin. This definitely does the job for sure. If you feel like this is more on the pricey end, there are some nighttime moisturizers that you can use. The last product that I'm going to talk about is definitely optional. As long as you have your cleanser, your toner, your moisturizer, those are the 3 main things you really need. The spray, like I said, is a bonus. And for me, this one is definitely a must. It is an eye cream. Eye creams will help not only give you that woke look, but it also hydrates under the eye. Under our eye, the skin is very, very thin and sensitive. So you want to make sure you're hydrating that so that it's not droopy or it's not dry, and also helps with the fine lines that we have naturally under our eyes. This particular one is definitely a hydrating and moisturizing eye cream. This is the Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm, and I love this eye cream. For one, you get a lot in here for an eye cream. Most eye cream packaging is super small, but this one, you're getting a lot. I actually take it up around my eye and it just smells like a spa in a jar. This definitely moisturizes under the eye. If you're looking for like different products that could work, I can definitely do a separate video to like talk a little bit more in depth on these products. But let me know down below in the comments if you have a skincare regimen. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Let's talk about it in the comment section. But yeah, these are the products that I wanted to share that I've been using, that they have been working, especially for sensitive, dry to normal to dry skin. But any of these products can be used for any skin type, texture, or tone that you may have, and they are definitely something to check out. So I will have all of these products listed in the description box below as well with the links. And if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.